Hello everyone, my name is Isabel López. I am a 16-year-old student from Rosa de Jesus Cordero High School. Today, I would answer to the question, how will you contribute to decrease social segregation in your local context? First of all, I think these actions need to start on ourselves and then being brought to a community context. In order to speak about social segregations, we need to know what this means. Social segregation is the marginalization, exclusion, or discrimination towards an individual or a community based on social aspects. It could be their race, their political interests, or their religion. There are many ways on how social segregation has been shown, such as racial, ethnical, sexual, political, territorial, or religious segregation. In order to answer to the question, I would talk about ethnic segregation. People who express their ethnicity are usually discriminated, and these aspects of their lives become seen as something invalid on the social context that surrounds them. This happens because of the idea that maintaining and expressing a tradition is wrong, when actually these actions from certain individuals are the ways our traditions and culture have survived through time, because sadly, our society is losing its own identity. This is an idea that has been naturalized and internalized on our city context, Cuenca, which makes us see it as something that should not be happening. Also, there is a lot of conversation happening on the topic, but there doesn't seem to be at least one solution that has helped to decrease social segregations. I will explain the three main actions I think we need to get started on this topic. First, a personal reflection. Second, understand this community's perspective. And last but not least, the actions we need to get started as students. For personal reflection, we need to start asking ourselves, am I part of a society where someone who expressed their ethnicity with pride is seen as something negative? We can ask ourselves, is this really my opinion, or is it something the context I live in has taught me? Another crucial action is the second one. We need to start to understand this community's perspective and try to appreciate how much their actions help to preserve our culture. We could achieve this by teaching our children that being different is not something bad, that actually this is what makes our society so unique and special. We also need to stop thinking that one individual's actions are not the rule for all of their community. We need to start looking outside of the privileges we may have upon other communities on these aspects. And last but not least, we as students should get our efforts together to take this message farther away. We could start this with campaigns on our schools and others, but not just focus on children, but in adults as well, so we can all fight social segregations together. Thanks for your attention.